This is a ko challenge for white. In order to play a ko, the first move is not this, right? You're hoping that black can start a ko like this. But actually, black can play this move, and white is already dead. White can play this, or this. If white tries this, then black can play this move. It can Atari from behind, or it can force white into a straight 3 shape, like this. So number 1 actually doesn't work. Black plays that. Number 2, white is already dead. There will be no ko. So obviously, these are not good moves. This is also not building enough eye space. So the best way to increase eye space for white is standing down here. And now black cannot just play this. This will be a rectangular 6. This will be a living shape for white. So unacceptable for black. And the only 2 choices black has is this and this. Right? So if black plays here, white must play here, black Ataris, and this will be a ko. Because otherwise, white will capture a pyramid 4, which is a dead shape. So white must play through the ko in order to build 2 real eyes. Another variation is when black plays here. This is more complicated. So white cannot play this. This will be back to one of our previous variations where white will be dead, like this. White must play this, and now black must come in here and destroy this real eye. Now it seems like white only has 1 real eye, but white can build another one here. But this one will be destroyed like this. But fortunately, there's still a ko for white to play. And that is the correct sequence for this problem. Overall, the key takeaway is to not play this move, right? You're thinking this is a ko problem. If white makes this shape, black will play this. But no, black can play at number 2 and kill white. So white needs to be careful. And the correct move is to stand down here to increase eye space to the largest extent possible, and then see which of these 2 moves black makes. Either way, it will be a ko in the end. Thank you for watching.